Morning guys. Okay, so we're about to show you a new product. We've been working closely with the guys at OTA on a flare that meets the legal requirement to run the wider wheels on a 300 series. So with the J-Max GVMs on the 300 series, we run up to a POS 35 inch rim, which on a standard car they're a POS 60. So we go to the POS 35, brings them within that 25 mil legal limit. You need that POS 35 to be able to run that wider tyre. So our J-Max truck here, it's on 35s, so sitting at 3 inches and 35s. But the problem with, we've got there's flares on the market, which we've been seeing around, people are bringing through to us, but the problem is they don't meet the legal requirements. So the issue is when they make the flare, they're bringing the flare at the top out to cover the tyre, but they run back into the factory mud flap, and so the tyre's actually sticking out. So when you're actually following the car, you can actually see the tyre sticking out past. So it doesn't meet the legal requirement for a road-going vehicle. So part of, I suppose, modifying your vehicle or applying a GVM and bigger tyres and all those sorts of things, you want to make sure that it's legal and that you're not going to get hassled over it. So, so what OTA, the boys have, we've been working with them. POS 35s on a 35 12.5. We've used a very aggressive tyre to demonstrate how it covers. These things are POS, they're plus 35 mil. They pretty much go into all the OEM clamps, so they're very much an OEM type fit, but they all come with mud flap. So you're getting a full flare package and mud flaps front and rear. They're all ABS plastic, so they come in black. They can be then painted to suit your vehicle. So we've had these guys done at a local paint shop, so getting them painted is an option, but they come raw ABS. The pricing will be on the website tonight once this product releases. But on our particular vehicle, we're running the Ironman Raid Bar. So we were one of the first ones to actually fit up an Ironman Raid Bar and check it for fitment. We've confirmed that these guys clear the 35s, as does the TJM Outback bar. However, the ARB Summit bar does not clear 35, so it would need modification. So a couple of things we're learning with the 300s as we're getting these through with all their different variations of bars and things like that. J-Max have actually designed a plastic end that butts into the end of these for the Ironman bar. We're working towards the other bars as well, so you can contact our office if you need a plug-in, because if you're running the factory OEM bar, this flare runs all the way down into the original bar. However, if you fit a bull bar, you've got to chop that, and we have a cap. So it just means there's no extra work required. You can literally get the cap, fit the cap, have the flare painted and bolted in. So on the rear, it obviously comes out and it covers the tyre, so you'll be able to clearly see that. Now to clear 35s as well, there's a little bit of doctoring that needed to go on the inside. The guys at OTA, they've made all the changes to ensure that this tyre can clear that 35-inch tyre and move that mud flat back to where it needs to be. So guys, this video will drop tonight. Pricing will be on the website. You'll be able to pre-order them. Tonight we'll let you know what the lead time is for a pre-order. But I suggest if you want to get a set of these that you get in quick, because there will be quite an influx for that. We've got a lot of people waiting for this product. So, but for any more information, jump on our website at jmax.com.au.